I'm glad she didn't catch me while crutches. Go.
I'm glad she didn't catch me with her crutches.
And when I come, you think I had it. Plus, throw me in the car. A little bit. Come on. Where's my crunchies? Who took them out of my room? Who took my crunchies out of my room? Oh my God. Where is they? Whoever took them, here I come. You took my stuff.
What the hell?
You took my crunchies. You took my crunchies. Oh, here they are. It's a big mess, too. I got this. I got this. Stop it, whoever this is. It's not a joke. I don't play about my crunchies. Stop. Stop pushing me. Who's doing this stuff? Stop! Now I gotta clean up the big mess. Whoever was eating my crunchies. They playing in them like they're little toys. I don't play about my crunchies.